Apologies won't phase him, you got a bullet with your name. The murder, the beating, abusive control.
How do you think Mark's doing with vocals?
Mark's probably doing fucking great.
Fuck! 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 Oh, give it to me again, goddammit. Fuck! 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 Fucking A! Fuck! 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 Ah, fuck! 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 I'll never forgive or forget. Touching next on me. I'll never bury the tears. To tell me more. To cast emotions closer. Tell me hey, I'll count the song and sing.
Pick that shit up. 2 strikes. I gotta get 1 more.
Fuck, thank you. Fuck. 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 Oh.
Well, I think Mike's just wrapped up on another track. Another jack-o'-lantern on the fucking chart here.
That doesn't sound cool at all. Never mind. Get out of there.
Get prepared for your bass line to no longer exist. So only the beginning.
Yeah, it'd be only the first one.
Damn it. Why the fuck did you say the 3rd phrase, you fucking idiot?
Quarter. It is the 3rd phrase.
Talking to rap, by the way.
It's the 3rd quarter.
I'll never forgive or forget the touching.